Grilled lemon herb chicken skewers are a delicious and easy-to-make dish that combines succulent chicken pieces with a refreshing citrus and herb marinade. The result is a tender, flavorful skewer that's perfect for any barbecue or summer gathering. To begin, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into bite-sized chunks. The marinade consists of fresh lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, chopped fresh herbs such as rosemary, thyme, and oregano, salt, and pepper. Mix all the marinade ingredients in a bowl, then add the chicken chunks, ensuring they're well coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, but ideally for a few hours or overnight for maximum flavor. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. If you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent burning. Thread the marinated chicken pieces onto the skewers, making sure not to crowd them to allow even cooking. Place the skewers on the grill and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is cooked through and has a nice char. Serve the skewers hot, garnished with additional fresh herbs and lemon wedges on the side for an extra touch of freshness. These grilled lemon herb chicken skewers make a great main dish or appetizer and pair wonderfully with a variety of sides like grilled vegetables, rice, or a fresh salad.